Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the MAC address check of your VIVO X200 FE. Okay, so first we need to find out what is our MAC address. So on your device, open up the settings, scroll down and click on About Phone. Scroll down again, click on the status, and here we have our Wi-Fi MAC address. Simply copy it or rewrite it, and now we need to get into IMEI.info page. Okay, so now we are on the IMEI.info page, and now in this bar first we need to type the IMEI number of our VIVO. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all possible options on this side, and in that video also showing how to find the IMEI number of your VIVO. So once you have typed it, click on this blue button, check IMEI. As you can see, our VIVO appears. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. They are completely for free, so you don't need to pay for anything. And in here we have MAC address check. So let's click on that. Let's scroll down. I have shown you how to find it, and now in this bar we need to type the MAC address that we have just checked. And now let's click on check MAC address. Okay, and now we have our results. So we have our MAC address, the company name, the company address, the country, also the country flag, and some values and numbers such as OUI, is it private, border left and right, assignment block size, data create and data update, and also below we have 10 random MAC addresses that we can copy. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.